Homemade butterscotch pudding is unbelievably creamy and very easy to cook. This recipe are the combination of outstanding flavors of caramelized sugar and butter with vanilla. It's so luxuriously creamy and velvety rich. I can definitely say this butterscotch pudding is the showstopper. It is so easy and homey, made from fresh milk right on your stovetop. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simple Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. In a bowl, take 2 cups of milk. Into this milk, add 1/4 cup of corn flour. Whisk the cornstarch with the milk. Slowly whisk in the milk until the mixture is smooth. After mixing, make sure there are no lumps, set it aside. Now in a non-stick pan, add half cup of sugar. Give a little stir, make it caramelized. Use a deep pan and cook slowly. As you can see, the sugar starts to melt. It would take 5 to 6 minutes on medium to high heat. The sugar are completely caramelized. Now I'll add 1/4 cup of butter. Mix the butter with the sugar. Make it very carefully. As you can see, it took a form of melted candy and the smell is also like candy. You can definitely get the smell of your childhood. Now add the milk and cornstarch mixture into the caramelized sugar. Mix the milk. The butter and caramelized sugar mixture should hard and settle down at the pan bottom after adding the milk, so don't worry, just you need the right temperature and stir continuously. I cook this on 170 degrees centigrade. Adjust the temperature as per your need. It would take 10 to 15 minutes to melt completely. After melting well, it will be creamy and thick as you can see. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give a mix. You have to keep it warm as you don't want to set it in this pan. Now take small portion bowl and put the pudding. This is a really simple recipe. You just have to be comfortable with cooking sugar as it gets really hot, and it's important to practice good safety measures when cooking the sugar, especially when it's mixed with the butter. And give a light tap on your palm to make it smooth from the top. Put this pudding into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to set. After 30 minutes, sprinkle some chocolate shaving and rainbow sprinklers. And butterscotch pudding is ready. It is sweet but not oversweet. It's sizzling and very rich in flavor. You can store them for 2 to 3 days into refrigerator. That's it for today's video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.